Hi guys, this is Mike at netbooklive.net, and I'm going to show you today how you can upgrade memory and hard drive on one of the Toshiba NB500 series netbooks. What we have here is actually the NB550D, but this is going to be the same for the NB500, NB505, NB520, so they all come with the same design on the back. What you need to do is actually place the device like this on your desk, and then you have these two screws here, this one and this one. So you're going to need a screwdriver, and you're going to have to unscrew those two screws. It's going to be quite easy. One, and this other one. So very easy. And now you have to grab the device from here. There's this tiny little place. If your finger won't get there, you can use a small knife, but in this case it can. Mine will, and you're going to have to pull a little bit hard. Don't worry, it won't break anything. And I'm going to get this part off. So now you get access to the hard drive, which is right here, and the memory. There's only one memory slot, of course, as you can see here. It's actually very easy to get access to it. You have these two clamps right here. You have to grab them and hold them like this, and the memory module will jump straight off like this. So very easy. This is the memory module. This is what you need to upgrade. Right now we have a 1 GB memory module. You can upgrade it with another one up to 2 GB. So very easy to use. In order to put it back, you have to put it like this and pull and press, and it will go back in here, in there, in its position. So very easy. Let me see if I put it the right way. It's very easy to get in. It's actually not possible to get it wrong. So you have to press it until these clamps are in position, back there in position. So this is how you can access and upgrade memory. On the other side, this is the hard drive. In order to get it out, you have to get this thing like this, and there's a tiny screw right here. You're going to see it. Here it is. You have to unscrew that as well. Okay, helps having a magnetic screwdriver like I do. And now all you have to do is pull, and the hard drive comes right off. It's like this. And you can upgrade it with a bigger hard drive, a faster hard drive, or an SSD. This is of course a standard 2.5-inch hard drive you can use on all kind of laptops. It's that easy. In order to put it back, you have to place it like this and then slide it back in. As simple as that. And then put this screw back. This is pretty much all. So this is how you get access to your hard drive. This is how you get access to your memory. Toshiba really made this process very easy, because on other netbooks you can easily access memory, but the hard drive is on the other side of the motherboard. So in order to get access to it, you're going to lose the warranty. In this case, upgrading hard drive won't make you lose warranty, so it's very easy to do. Still, you should be aware that there might be risks. You might touch some cables you shouldn't. So only do this if you really know what you're going to do. In order to put this back, you have to put it in place like this, and then press it. There are a couple of clamps that need to get in place. So there's one here, one here, one here, and some other two down here on the bottom. And then tighten the screws back in position, and this is pretty much all. Now let's go ahead and power the device, and let's see if it's actually running. So we're back with this one. Here it is. The processor, 1 GB of memory, because like I said, you probably saw, I didn't upgrade it because I don't have a 2 GB module right now, but I'll show you how you can upgrade it. And storage is there, hard drive is there as well. Yes, so right now it should load very easily. Okay, so this was how you can upgrade hard drive and memory on a Toshiba NB500 netbook. But like I said, there's the same thing is going to you can do the same thing on all the Toshiba NB500 laptops in the NB500 line, because they all offer the same back layout. Okay, thank you. For more details, please go on the site on netbooklive.net. Thank you very much for watching. That was Mike.